What's up YouTube? So we have here 07 Honda Accord. This is BTEC, BTEC as you can see. Ang problema ni yung kanyang oil cap or a pillar cap broke down, no? As you can see. So bumigay yung kanyang oil pillar cap, and then there is like a nut that was in there, and then the nut, the washer was pulled down inside. So nag-message yung may-ari na ganyan yung nangyari sa kanya. Sabi ko, do not start the engine if the nut and the washer fell down inside, because it will ruin the rocker arm. So hopefully hopefully we can find the nut and the washer which was pulled down inside. So first thing first, we're gonna remove everything here, including the rocker cover. And then as we remove the rocker cover, we also change the gasket. As you can see, we have the new gasket there, and then the washers, everything. So hopefully we're gonna find out, or we're gonna find the washer that was inside here. Okay, so that's up guys. Once you like something to drop inside, do not start the engine, otherwise it will ruin everything. So we can have to discover what's inside there. If we can find a nut and the washer that's fall down inside, and the filler cap broke. So we'll see. So ganito lang po ang pagtanggal ng kanyang spark plug, coil pack na ganyan, pry bar, and then just squash it out. So again, once you drop coins or nut or washer or whatever bolt inside, please do not start the engine. We will find out if we can catch the bolt and the washer inside. So guys, ito na siya, no? Tatanggalan na natin ang rocker cover. So kita ba natin yung washer at saka bolt na laglag dito. So yan po ang kanyang Honda Civic. Yan yung washer. Kita nyo, yun yung washer na nahulog. Okay, buti naman at nakinig siya na hindi start ng engine. Start ng engine. Okay, gamitan natin ng picker kasi talagang nasa looban. So kung wala kayong picker, magnet, just magnet will do. Masyadong malaki itong magnet nito. Maliit lang, at we're gonna use flathead to take that out, swing it. Okay, so nandito na yung washer. Ang importante dito yung yung nut na naman ang importante nating makita. So dito sa looban yung washer. Yan, nakakagatin ng magnet yan. See? Yan po ang nahulog sa loob. Okay, so pagka mayroong mahulog sa loob, huwag ninyong never stop the engine, otherwise it will ruin the rocker arms and everything, and it will break down. And then once it got broke down, it will destroy everything like the rocker arm rocker arms, and then the bulbs, and then that will be expensive thing. So hanapin naman natin dito is yung kanyang bolt, no? O yung kanyang nut. Yung kanyang nut is nahulog daw kasama yung washer. So ang washer lang nakita natin so far.